Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add CSS code in Shopify. So head over to shopify.com and log into your account. On the main dashboard, click on Online Store, then click on Edit Theme. So inside the theme editor, you can choose the section that you want to modify. For example, on the template section, click on Add Section, and let's add a rich text. You can open the rich text layout. As you can see, we have the heading block, text block, and the button block. So I want you to double click on rich text, and if you scroll down, you can access the custom CSS. Click on it, and in this section, you can type any CSS code that you want. For example, let's change the font size. So it's H2, curly bracket, font size, and let's say I want to change it to 70 pixels. Semicolon, and there we go. So you can go ahead and continue adding more CSS codes. You'll see the changes apply instantly. Additionally, many sections have custom CSS, so you can apply styling per section without touching the full theme code. The next step is, if you want your CSS to apply site-wide or modify something that isn't available in the editor, you can use the code editor. So go back to the dashboard. Inside the online store or themes, click on the three dots next to the edit theme and open edit code. Let's open base CSS or any file that ends in .ess. Here, you can also add or type in a custom CSS code. Once you've added your code, go ahead and click Save. Then go to a live preview of your website, click Refresh, and you'll see the instant changes after applying the CSS code. Basically, you can edit CSS code inside the theme editor or inside the edit code. Using both options gives you full control over how your Shopify store looks. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.